That's the new Aspire S7, which has been already launched the first time last year at IFA. We have now developed an updated version, keeping the same design. As you can see, it now matches also the S3 design, which we adapted to match the S7 design, so that we have a unified design language. The weight is 1.3 kilo. One of the significant changes which you will notice on the new S7 will be a WQHD display, which is going to be double the resolution of a HD display, which is also going to be available in Europe. It's going to be mid-July, starting at €1,500 or €1,450. The other change which we did, like with similar to the S3, we did add 2 microphones on the front and not anymore on the display. You see on the sides it kept the same thing, SD, USB. Also here we put the power button next to the power connector for easier reach. On the back also the new twin air cooling system, which has air coming in, air going out, making it about 10% lower in noise or noise reduction. On the side we have a connector which goes through our optional connector, Connect VGA RG45. 1 HDMI slot, another USB port, a headphone. And the only other difference you will also notice to the S3, the materials are pretty much all the same except for the cover. The S7 uses Gorilla Glass, versus the S3 uses sprayed aluminium, but from an identity look very similar. From a keyboard point of view, one of the things we also changed is, which is hard to see in this daylight, the S3 has a backlit keyboard versus the S7 has an electroluminescent keyboard, which basically now gives you the additional option, other than on-off, to also have it adapt to the external lighting system by either give you more light or less light depending on the environment you're in. That will be the S7 available mid of July.